Good morning. I am pumped up off my orange juice. It's my go-to every morning now. I have a lot of plans today, so I am getting dressed before I go into my first meal for today, which is a very simple meal, but tasty though. I am having lightly seasoned organic avocado, only a half of an avocado because I cut back on my fats. Fresh organic lettuce, crispy though, no dressing on top, and seasoned dehydrated organic oyster mushrooms. Yes, I'm primarily organic, but I'll get into that a little later. I hope you're enjoying your New Year so far. I am. Okay, so some of you may be wondering why I'm eating with my hands. The truth is, I've been doing this for a while now. Eating is not just for the body, but for the mind and soul, and you feel the difference when you eat with your hands. Eating is a sensory, so eating with your hands takes the sensory experience to another level. You should try it. It also promotes portion control, allows your gut to properly prepare for digestion, and it feels more natural. But please wash your hands first. Before I made any changes, I used to eat pecans and walnuts for a snack. Now I'm going in with my apples topped with cinnamon and cacao powder. Of course, everything is organic, and honestly, I'd have to say I'm not spending as much money on food since I increased my leafy greens and decreased the amount of fruit I was consuming. I'm forever making adjustments, but I think I'm finally settling into something more sustainable.
So I know it's been a minute since I last spoke with you guys, but let me tell you, the end of November, I had a really bad stomach virus. It lasted for about a week and a half, and I was greatly ill. So I went to Shalata and I got a salad, and shortly after that, everything went left. And I was just really sick. My gut was just not well at all, and it took forever for me to try to get better. I was trying everything. I was on probiotics, I was on zinc, vitamin C. I would not be eating out anymore, especially when it comes to raw foods. I may get a drink or juice, but at the same time, I don't think I will be doing that. I haven't had anything that was outside of my home since then. And the reason why I decided to no longer eat out, because I decided to go primarily organic. And the reason why is because I feel like it's no way around it. I wish I could tell you guys it was, but it's none. There's no way around it. You have to be organic if you plan to be raw for a long period of time. I'm fine now, but you know, every now and again, it's just, I don't know if it's my anxiety about it or what, but it feels like my stomach is a little bit jittery, and I just want to really focus on that. But I am including things on the regular, such as more things on the regular, such as chia seeds and hemp seeds. Those are some of the things that I would take in every now and again, but now I am taking them in on a regular. And also orange juice, because it's high in vitamin C, so just focusing on my immune system and my gut right now. And so just really being intentional about my nutrients right now, and the probiotics. Let me tell you, your gut is your immune system, because when your gut shuts down, everything shuts down. And I had to learn that the hard way. Nothing functions when your gut is not right. And I realized that it is a slow process. I don't know if some of you guys are suffering from like IBS or any type of gut issues, but I feel for you if this is like a chronic condition for you, because it is not fun. It ruins your life. I'm telling you, it's like, I applaud anybody who's suffering from IBS or anything of the sort, because it's not fun. It's not, my heart goes out to you guys. It's actually worse than some of the things that I've dealt with, you know, in regards to my own health issues. And IBS, I would have to put it at the top of the list. That gut issue is just, it's not fun. But anyway, I will be heading out today. I will be sharing some meals with you guys. As you all already saw, like, I love my orange juice. It's been like a lifesaver. If you're trying to increase your vitamin C or just trying to improve your immunity, definitely get you some organic oranges and just stick with them for a while. Thank me later, but I'm telling you, it's a game changer, and you have to be patient because it takes time for you to really see results. You have to be consistent with it. I'm sorry. I've been drinking a lot of juice today, so I have a little bit of gas. But anyway, I decided to back away from the camera for a while because I feel like I was losing focus of what I was doing it for, and it was always workout, you know, eat, record it, go to the gym, record it, record, and it's just not good. It's not good. I feel like I was losing sight of what I was doing it for, and I decided to just step away, focus on myself, find the balance again, try to recover off camera in regards to, like, you know, dealing with the stomach virus and trying to find a happy balance with my raw diet. I am not the type of person that gives up. Let me tell you, this is a journey, and I've been fighting in it for the longest because I am confident that this is a sustainable lifestyle, and I have been, you know, going through this trial and error, and I'm discovering so much, and I am so thankful for this whole entire journey because I want to be an example for you guys. I know it takes a lot of courage to do what I'm doing right now, and then sometimes people just need that person, you know, who can, like, show them that they could do it as well, and I am open to being that person for you. But it is a challenge. It's a mental challenge more than anything. Living raw, eating healthy, you know, budgeting yourself right so that you are not overspending on grocery. All of that is a struggle, don't get me wrong, but really it's the mental. It really is the mental. That's the hardest part about being raw, is your mental state. Sometimes you just want to give up. Sometimes you start feeling symptoms and you think that the raw diet isn't working, but that's not the case. It's really not the case. You just need to, you know, stay persistent, stay consistent, be there for yourself, show up. And if you need to take a break from the world, you could do that. Step back and just isolate yourself for a little while. Meditate, because I don't care how much you work out, how great you eat, if you are not focusing on your mental health and just doing things that improve that, and outside of eating healthy and working out, then you're not going to get better. You need to really focus on training your thoughts, controlling your mind, and so that you won't, like, go into this, what do they call it? I forgot what it's called. Intrusive thinking, I think that's what it's called. But it's not healthy at all, and it can really damage your health regardless of what you're doing to stay healthy in regards to eating healthy and working out. You really need to, like, meditate, find ways to calm your mind, take a bath, do something that really kind of, like, calms your mind. Music, soothing music, or, you know, anything that really gets you in a happy place. A happy movie, watch a movie about, you know, movies with happy endings, and not that type of happy ending, but the other type of happy ending.
This is something I'll never do again. I love washing my own car, but the way the temperature dropped on me, I had to go in defrost mode, like, real quick. The weather is ridiculous, and I absolutely hate it. But anyway, my daughter loves it. She loves the cold, so she must get that from her dad. One of the questions that I get the most is juicing in the wintertime. I honestly don't care what the temperature is outside. I am going to juice whenever. I work out almost every day and I drink tea every day, so my body temperature is always up and down throughout the day. But I do live in Georgia, so I'm unsure how that would work, like, living somewhere like Chicago or New York or something. I wouldn't be able to say if that would be a wise thing to do, but me knowing who I am, I probably would do it. I'm a bit of a rebel.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go holler. All the fake friends go pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long.
I had to stop at CVS and get some water because Proud Source spring water is my favorite water and I only see them in CVS. But then I need to head to Publix next door because every now and again I buy myself some flowers. I'm in my soft woman stage and I need to treat myself kindly, and I love flowers. If you're following me on Instagram, you may know this already. I love my flowers. I'm feeling like some food right now, but I want to use the ingredients I already have at home. I'm going to use the other half of the avocado I ate earlier and top that with a pecan crumble, which is a low-fat concoction I made up. I winged it, so I can't give the exact measurements, but I'll include the ingredients in the description. I only use maybe like 4 pecans, literally 4 pecans.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging, unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club. I'm really chilling with my seed. I love my poppy, put me on. I'm really chilling with OGs, don't test my gangsters.
Circling back on my break from social media, I can honestly say I'm in a much better place. I was able to get so much done when it comes to life. I appreciate all the support I get from you because it really means a lot to me. I may not know you personally, but I feel connected to you. When I'm talking to other people and they recommend like topics I should talk about on my channel, I'll be like, no, that is not what my channel is about. I am not playing with my community like that. Like, I'm so overprotective about you. It's crazy. But if you're new, welcome, and I hope that you become a part of my community, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules.